I'm going to fix my daughter's phone again. You can see it's pretty bad right there. And it's not even functional anymore. Well, I guess the battery ran out, but the screen doesn't even do anything. Took the screws out, antelope screws from the bottom, and then a suction cup and pull up the screen. There's the inside. Man, the lighting is terrible. Should probably have brighter light. Gotta get that thing off of there. Yeah, is that better? Actually using a light. Of course I can't use it while I'm doing it, but I gotta peel those things up off of the, I don't know, disconnect those ribbons. Okay, it's off. I think I need to transfer something, I forgot. Time to transfer the parts. I'm gonna transfer this metal plate and the camera and all that housing over to here, as well as the home button. Okay, took a few minutes. That's the most irritating part of this whole thing, but it could be worse, like an iPhone 4. So now I just need to attach the new screen to the phone. Sorry, I skipped ahead. I just put it together. Didn't even do any more steps on the, but I think the battery's dead. So I hope that this plugging it in will do this. Yes, I see something. That looks like a working screen to me. Maybe it's not on yet, but I'll record as soon as the screen comes on, which will be after a little bit of a charge. Okay, it just came on. Alright, I'm gonna look away while I guess what her password is. I forgot what it is. Okay, I guessed right. And obviously the touchscreen works because I just got it to unlock. Let's see if we can test music. Play music. Let's turn on the volume. Hear music. Well, let's mute the TV so you can actually tell the difference. Camera. Okay, yeah. And at the risk of showing my ugly mug. Hey, yeah, this works. I don't want to show my ugly face, I'll just show my phone looking at the phone. Can't look through the screen and do it. There. What else? Microphone, volume, touchscreen, camera, selfie camera, speakers, I think I said. I'd say that's a success. Oh, Wi-Fi. Let's make sure Wi-Fi works. Why is Wi-Fi off? Might explain why her data usage was so high this month. Where is a freaking browser? There's a browser. Oh. The only thing left to check, I think that works, so the only thing left to check is to plug in some headphones and make sure that the headphone jack works, but I'd say that's a success. I didn't make this video as a tutorial. I made this video as a, ooh, look what I can do, and maybe you'll let me fix your phone for some money because I'm broke. I also made this video for a friend of mine whose daughter cracked her phone, and this is how I do it. Thank you.